guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm your Russian American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do reviews and tutorials of affordable, inexpensive makeup from drugstore, dollar store, AliExpress, you name it. I'll test it on my face, I'll pass the savings to you guys. So in this video I'm reviewing my Boxycharm December box. So I just received it. This is January 2021, but I'm reviewing the December box. So you guys are interested to see what I got and how it works, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell so YouTube notifies you of every new video upload. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays at 9 AM Pacific time, and also go live almost every Monday at 11 AM Pacific time. So like, comment and follow me on Instagram, Twitter. The links are down in the description box. So let's get right into this review. So here's my December box. It arrived a little late, but you know, we can't complain because of everything's going on in the world and the mail is getting late, so that's not a problem. But I did receive it. I didn't even know it was coming, honestly. I forgot all about it. That was a nice surprise, the December box. So it came with a card. This time they did not forget the card, and it has like a little bit of glitter and glitz. So for the New Year's, bubbles and glitz. So overall the value is $153. I calculated the value of every single item. I'm going to tell you what they are and what it is about. So first we got Artist Couture Caliente palette. I like Caliente. Well, as a Zumba instructor, a lot of songs are named Caliente. If you don't know Spanish, caliente means hot. Yes, muy caliente. Anyway, let's get back into the topic. So it does look very caliente. It's red hot. Looks like a hot sauce. I don't know why. But anyway, so this says turn up the heat and get ready to feel the caliente fantasy. This palette features 5 buttery mattes, 2 richly pigmented metallics, and 1 multi-dimensional high pearl shade. These colors have been carefully curated to design wearable, vibrant and colorful looks. Transform your eyes with this versatile Glow Getter approved palette. So the retail value is $30. I never heard of this brand. I'm not into indie brands that much, except for like when it comes to the ones I actually liked from my experience. So Lois Cosmetics set up the bar so high, so I can't really live with the other indie brands so far, like except for Lois and Luxie. Luxie was very good too. So we got this. That's on my eyes. You're gonna see the video running somewhere here in the corner of me applying it on my eyes. It's a very simple look. I honestly did not know what to do with it. On the first look, it looks very bright and colorful, but it's very subtle. So like these shades, the pink and then kind of a darker pink, looks all the same. Like, well, they almost blend exactly the same. The orange is alright, the yellow is alright. I mean, they're pigmented, but when you mix them all together, they actually kind of blend out into the very one monotone look. It's pretty sensitive, but there's no depth. Like, instead of having this orange, because when you use yellow and you use pink, you get the orange actually easily. So I would put black in here. I mean, that's just me, but I would put black, or at least like a really dark rich brown, or like a dark rich, like a burgundy something. But it really lacks the depth. The shimmers are alright. I did not use them because when I put the shimmers, it's the same issue. They're exactly the same tone as the eyeshadow, so your eye look becomes very monotone. So this one is really pretty. I just put a little bit here, but other than that, it's all matte. I did use cake liner from Glam to kind of emphasize the line because I had no definition whatsoever, and I did a little bit of like a graphic liner to just make my eyes look a little bigger, because I don't like this kind of looks because my eyes look tiny. So I really would like, if I wasn't reviewing this palette, I would not be doing this kind of look. Like, I don't like it at all. I mean, for some people they might like it, but I like drama, I like depth, and this kind of look, like, meh, it's alright. So if you like basic one-tone, the easy blendable looks for you, $30 for this, it's insane. It's only 8 shades and they're not that great either. So I mean, I read this for feels, but I just honestly, it's not my cup of tea, just not mine. It's easy to blend, it's great quality, and there's no issues whatsoever, but other than that, I just don't like the color story, and the price is way too high for this small thing. Also, the problem I have with the palette, what does it have to do with bubbles and glitz? When you look at the card and the New Year's Eve and then put this palette here that screams spring or summer, it has nothing to do with New Year's. I'm expecting blacks, golds, silvers, metallics, but this, like, really, Boxycharm? For reals, like, who'd wear this? This is totally like a summer makeup. Yep, I read this. Now that we read this for filth, we're gonna go on. So the next we got, I'm going in the order I tried the items. So we got the liner and lashes, magnetic. So that's baby girl lashes and black liquid magnetic liner. Get ready to be spoiled. This baby girl is a wispy round lash that looks natural on the eye and feels super lightweight, which is very true. It's made from high quality 100% vegan synthetic fiber and comes with a pair of lash anchors that help strengthen the hold and keep them in place. The magnetic Glamnetic magnetic eyeliner is the magic that holds your favorite Glamnetic lashes in place all day. The innovative formula is highly pigmented, requires minimal waiting time, and provides all-day hold. So we shall see about all day. They are sitting on my eyes, so let me do a test. Yeah, I'm pulling, and it's actually like pulling the whole eyelid. So see, yeah, they really work. I mean, it took a little bit of getting adjusted to. When I applied, you'll see the application. So this retails for $63, which was like, I did not like the lashes themselves. I put mascara on them because they're very natural. They say natural and they're natural. They attach to the liner fine, everything's fine, everything works. But to me, that's just the lashes themselves. If they had more like a dramatic lashes, I would probably like them more. But I had to apply mascara to make them look visible. So it's alright. With another pair of eyelashes I would like it, but for the price, there's so many versions right now of magnetic liners and lashes that work just as well and less expensive. Just go on Amazon, go to a drugstore, there's like tons of them. And I got one on Amazon with very dramatic lashes. I have a review on my channel that worked real well. It just dried out over time, so I threw it away, but that one was really good. I'm inserting the card for the lashes I tried from Amazon here, in case they still sell them. If they don't sell them, you won't see the card because it's pointless. But it was a while ago. It was one of the first videos on my channel. Those lashes, they're real good. So yeah, so that's the packaging. The packaging is cute. Actually, I'm not mad at it. Like I said, I just don't like the lashes themselves, but it really does work. So if I get a pair of lashes that's really dramatic with magnets on them, I can just use the eyeliner and there you go. So, and the next item we got Tarte Monitor Mascara. Warning, maximum compliments ahead with this volumizing, lengthening and curling mascara with a soft wax brush and lightweight triple black formula. Alright, so I guess this is the regular retail price, $23 for this kind of high-end mascara. I wouldn't buy it myself. I mean, you'll see how the application. Apply it fine. The brushes are fine. I like the brushes that have longer bristles because I feel like they give me a little more volume. And this one has very short bristles. I mean, I have no issues with it, but it's not all that. It's volumized and the smell is actually not unpleasant. But there's nothing special about it. I'll get better effect from a regular Lash Princess. For $3.99 from Essence, you get better effect than this $23 mascara. For me, this was shade. So this is gonna be like a shade or no shade items review. The eyelashes, rate it. No tea, no shade. And the mascara is all shade, all tea. I just like to giggle on this, because I mean, what kind of review would it be if we didn't make fun of the products, right? Otherwise it's just boring. Anyway, so the next item I put on my face today was MAC Cosmetics Cream Sheen Lipstick. Meet MAC Lipstick, the iconic product that made MAC famous. This creamy, balmy formula features a comforting feel, medium buildable coverage, and semi-glossy finish. So actually, this is a real nice lipstick. I don't like lipsticks usually. I go for liquid lip, but matte that's not transferable. Of course, this is transferable. I mean, it's just a glossy lipstick, but it is very soft. It is very pleasant. It's very pretty. I would say it has pretty good coverage. It says medium, but to me it's like almost full. I mean, I'm not mad at it. It's like it's moving into the lines a little bit already, like actually over the liner. Yeah, it's moving a little bit, so I don't think I would be wearing it. I don't like this kind of creamy lipsticks, but for somebody who likes lipsticks, it's fine. But to me, it's just not enough control. It's gonna be all over the place. But it's really, really nice. And it's the smell, oh my god, it smells so amazing. The scent, for me, the scent is very important. I never tried MAC, nothing. I had nothing from MAC. It just never excites me. Like, MAC is so boring. But the smell is so good. It's like a cake vanilla kind of smell. It's so good. I don't even eat cake, but it smells good. Anyway, so that's the only thing I find about it. That's good. That smell. Other than that, it just like goes all over the lines. I'm not gonna shade it or not shade it. It's like meh. It's in the middle. So here I got. Oh yeah, this is $19 by the way. So yeah, I would never buy a $19 lipstick that just kind of gonna go all over the lines. I'm just saying. So here the eyes. I mean, don't judge my cake liner. It kind of cracked a little bit, but yeah, very, very basic look. That's the lashes. They have mascara on them already. And that's the lips. Anyway, so got Butter London Melt Away Cuticle Exfoliator. It gently removes dry, overgrown cuticles in seconds and reveals softer and healthier looking cuticles over time. Consistent use of this pain-free and good for nails formula makes it easier to push cuticles back. Put your clippers away and treat yourself to perfectly manicured cuticles. I gotta tell you, this is $18. I gotta tell you guys, I'm so lazy with my nails. I freaking hate them. I like skincare, like I could like put all kind of things on my face at night, and I'm not sparing time. Like I'm gonna do the whole face routine, but for my nails, girl, I ain't got no time for that. So I just put the fake nails on from Walmart and never do anything with my cuticles. I kind of push them back. I mean, you're probably gonna be gagging right now. But when I put the fake nail, I push my cuticle back with the fake nail. I push it back with a nail and then glue it on as I'm gluing it on. That's all the cuticle care you get. Like Peter Mon says, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. Yes, I just shaded myself pretty much. All shade. But actually this product is no shade. It's good, very good. I just put it on, like just before I started to film. I'm gonna show you my cuticles. They look pretty good. I did not push them back, but they look very soft. So you see? Yeah, I have no complaints. They're kind of dry and overgrown, and this feels like a lotiony, buttery product. I didn't even show it to you guys. Hold on, where is it? There it goes. I had issues opening. It says pull up, and of course the first thing I'm gonna try to do is unscrew it, but actually it does. Oh, it does work. I'm such an idiot. So there it goes. It's like a clear texture pretty much. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's like a clear, very soft, oily kind of texture. There is no scent. It works. I'm not mad at it. I probably wouldn't be buying it myself just for the plain reason that I'm lazy. But it's also $18, and it's like, if I bought something like this, I'd probably buy some from Walmart. So I'm not mad I have this item. Of course I'm gonna be using it. And I'm probably gonna push myself a little farther with my nail routine instead of pushing my cuticles with fake nails. I'm gonna melt them with this thing. So yeah, so overall, what would I rate this box? I would rate this box as a solid 6 out of 10. I never rate them, but the last few months they've been really good items, like real good skincare, some serums, some anti-aging creams, under eye creams that I was like living for it, and I used every bit of those serums and creams. I love skincare, but this December box is kind of disappointment. I mean, I'm not mad at it, but I don't care about the nails that much, and the palette is very average. I feel like every Boxycharm palette I received, they're all very average or below average. So with the mascara being boring, palette being boring, the lipstick being kind of blah, that's all 3 items. The lashes and the cuticle thing, softener, are the ones I'm gonna be using. The rest of it is kind of meh. So yeah, I'm still considering canceling Boxycharm subscription because it's kind of like getting to the point that there's so many items I don't want to use. So is it really worth it for me? If they send me more good, expensive skincare, I would be still keeping the subscription. But we'll see. We'll see what I get next month. If they don't live up to expectations, you canceled Boxycharm. You canceled. All shade. Anyway, this was my very shady review to you all. I hope you guys understand that this is humor and a little kicky and a little jokes, that I'm not seriously pooping all over them. Like half seriously, but this is all for funsies and jokes. So that's the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed this, give this video a big thumbs up. Give me a comment below. Let me know what you received in your December box. If you subscribe to Boxycharm, did you get a better palette? Or do you like my palette? Because it's just me, it's my taste. Some people would love this. So give me a comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays at 9 AM Pacific time, and also go live almost every Monday at 11 AM Pacific time, which is 7 in UK. So huge thank you for all my patrons that joined my Patreon group. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Your names are gonna be at the end of this video. So if you guys are interested, the link to my Patreon group is down in the description box. We have WhatsApp chat, we have Facebook group, and my patrons choose my live look sometimes, so it's a fun group. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!